the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what going on? When I come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know what go? When me load up, aim up, crank up, draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Nation people. Don't even believe for a minute or a second it can get more electrified than that. What you know now? I forward for real to Blak Ryno this song for jahshii. So make we hear what go and kick it off like a ball 10 star the gun them long on the magazine tall.
Jahshii dear bitch. Pass the switch and pass your chocolate. Murder boy, make you remember me. Party boy, jahshii, save your energy. Pussy and punk, so remember this.
Ryno. So if you murder him, all I'm gonna remember you. People, Ryno no waste no time. As the rhythm jump off, jahshii, you a bitch. So it's a new name that the man give me now. Jahshii, you a bitch. You see what I say? Yo, Ryno, yo, you know waste no time.
Me tell the killer, bring my gun them over. Shut the bus, the man, I bring my gun them over. And it no take me nothing for me run them over. Me it get hotter than the fire when my gun that's over.
We tell the killer bring we gun them over. Cause it not take with nothing for we run them over. You see what I say? Yeah, I slowly.
Over. Easy for me run them over. Me tell one of the killer, bring my gun them over. My dog not gonna take me nothing for me turn them over. Me run them over. The 45 I run them over. No come no closer. Just tell them say me run the road ya. Shot me them skin and spray them easy like run the hose ya. We run the road ya. Fuck a road and you pick up the load ya. Me run spend tell me them no know ya.
Shot spray them skin like a piece of hose, yeah. After I'm run them over. So when you run him over, I'm never dead. So that's why you have to spray him up. Me blood clot. The dog start the next thing I say grand spend and know you know.
Boy, no matter the damn planet big, me well connected. Remember that. Me can't tell about the place I come from, about your challenges. Pussy.
The man said no matter how the planet big, him well connected. Him can tell him about the place him from and him challenges. That mean the way how him grow up. Blood clot, I want to hear more.
Boy, your body is sick in head. How much boy violate them dead? Lie. You seen your father shop, I say egg and bread. I want the bread man. Stop your nights and go wash the bread van. Now the butt.
Clot. You sick in your head? How much boy ball and them dead? Eh? The man say, yo, you used to in your father shop and sell egg and bread. I want me to bread man. Go and go wash the bread van. I want me to hear that. I Ryno you deal with, you know. The last boy run up on him, you know. Over Jam World, you know. Lose him career, you know. And plus walk away with $1 million, you know. Yo, you can't play with Ryno. Me not ask you. Anyway, hide him will find you.
So we done in a dead man. Fucking Gaza, you will get there. Jahshii can't go grand spend. Nor Vietnam. Oh, me know that me connect well strong. Easy.
No. Jahshii can't go grand spend. Can't go Vietnam. Oh, me know that me connect well strong. Right now, what? You like a private investigator upon them case?
Big man chip when I take like Gaza. Carry some bad misses for exam. Me tell the killer bring my gun them over. Shut the bus the bed up and me turn them over. And it no take me nothing for me run them over. over. Me it get hotter than the fire when my thunder flow. Run them over. Ha, easy for me run them over.
Man, repeat back the thing, man. Easy for me run them over. It not take me nothing to turn them over. You see what I say? Yeah, you know the dog get cheap. Now give me explain now.
I tell one of the killer bring me run them over. My dog now gonna take me not over, me turn them over. Me run them over. The 45 I run them over. Easy yourself. Fuck around with the wrong man, them boy. Easy again. Now fuck with the wrong man, them put.
Easy yourself. You fuck around with Gaza man them. Easy, you're dead. Bumbo clot, that's so sweet, you can't.
Easy yourself. You have to care for that man spin. Them with dignity, man. That's your business. And of my business, my fire to gunshot and grab on my business. This is the exam, and not even quiz this thing on them. That's your life.
That's your business. And of my business. Fire to gunshot and gamble up my business. Easy exam. And I have a quiz this. Bumbo clot. Yo! More black one. More black one. Dog. More black one. Yo. Yo, more black one. You see me? More black one. More black one, people.
Like Christmas, up here where you come from. Man search where your link is. Dark like the midnight, a total wickedness. Tell them feed.
Look here where you come from. Now wish violence. You know man dark like the midnight.
Himself man we kill this. All the fuck man start war with a picnic. Go put your mama front of your hot door. What you mean me not feed if I did not drop food. Me hustle no money and I know that's slow.
Me nah go true repeat that. You see what I say? Me nah go true repeat that. You see me? Cause Ryno insane. The way Ryno deal with him mother right now, you hear me? Me scared for repeat that right now, people. Not a jahshii, you know. But me scared of the universe. You see me? I deal with them mother them type of way there.
You say you're rich and your mama sell soap. Act like your papa still at the shop in front of Frank White. We're full of red, full of roach, pussy watch lights. Top watch, all the money, stop watch mine. So you stay a long time, so you're back.
So him say him rich and him mama still a sell soap. You see me? Him father have a shop. Roach. You see me? Lice. Bumbo clot. And him say him rich. And one with Ryno. The man says stop watch other money. Stop watch my one. Bumbo clot.
Bad mind. Batty boy jahshii. Sad man and run out a grand spend you. They watch people things too much pussy. All watch you all the dance spend. To your youth. Yeah, you can't call grand spending like I use it like a shit. That man even know you, bro. Fuck bitch nigga.
Pussy clot. So that's I watch the done money from grand spend and I watch where man spend. Me bumbo clot. Well, we're gonna see how him answer this because the black one